this video, we're going to be powder coating Illusion Cherry from Prismatic Powders. We've got some valve covers that we're going to be powder coating, and we also got a little bit of a tip on valve covers that we're going to show you, especially these type of valve covers. Certain ones you're not going to be able to do this tip on, but they're going Illusion Cherry, alternator parts, brackets, all kinds of cool stuff. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So on these valve covers, they're actually chrome, but they're in very good condition. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lightly etch the chrome with blasting it, and then we're just gonna go ahead and powder coat it. If you wanna know if you can powder coat over chrome, yes you can. It is better to do it if the chrome is in good condition, like the chrome is here. Let's get these cleaned up, outgassed, blasted, and get them ready for coating. Let's jump to it. So you may not know that Illusion Cherry is a two-stage color. So with this color, we actually lay down the Illusion Cherry. We put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 6 or 7 minutes, so it totally flows out, gels out. It's considered a partial, this is considered a partial cure, or like I said, gelling out. And you put it in there, then you let the part cool, and then you go ahead and apply Clear Vision in this case, which is the top coat. It's going to be the clear coat that's gonna give it the gloss and bring out the color of Illusion Cherry. In these Illusion colors, don't freak out if the first color that you lay down does not actually look like the color it's supposed to be. When you put the Clear Vision on it, the color that it's supposed to be will reveal itself. It's pretty unique. Now from certain companies, certain colors are gonna have a little bit of a different name. Whereas Prismatic Powders calls these Illusion colors, Tiger Drylac actually calls them dormant colors. So if you're looking on Tiger Drylac's website, for instance, and you see a dormant color, it is the same thing as an Illusion color. There is a base coat, and then you're gonna have to put a required clear coat, top coat, that's going to actually bring the color out. And in Tiger Drylac's case, that clear is Bangle Clear. So if you're looking at Tiger Drylac's website and you want to see if they have any Illusion colors, or those are actually dormant colors. So on Tiger Drylac's page, they're called dormant. Now I hope this information helps you guys, especially the new people. So I just wanted to jump in this video and tell you guys real quick, if you want to help support the channel, we do have some 710 Performance merchandise in our website. You can click the link down below. Check it out, and if you like something, we appreciate your support. So we've got the Illusion Cherry base coat laid down on all of these parts. We've got them gelled out. Let's go ahead and start laying down the Clear Vision and seeing how these turn out. So we've got the Illusion Cherry parts completed. Let's go ahead and show you guys how they turned out. The customer is going to be super stoked with these. Remember, if you like this video and you got any value out of it, consider hitting the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed already. And go ahead and give the video a like. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hope you all enjoy these videos. Remember, on December 21st at 7 p.m. Central Time, we're gonna be going live. A live video is something we haven't done in a while. And in this live video, all you have to do is show up and be there during the live, and we're gonna be giving away 5 pounds of wet black from Tiger Drylac to one of you, as long as you're in the live. Make sure you stay up to date on our community page to find out any more information. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.